Antayin nyo lang ang online ang kapihan. Maraming salamat po. I'm Russell de Guzman. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and enjoy the rest of the day. Huwag po ninyong pupuntahan yung green area, no, yung turf natin. We now turn over the program to our friends from Pocari Sweat.
Hi! Good afternoon, everyone! Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Russell, for introducing Pocari Sweat as one of your friends or partner for the 30th Panagbalas Festival. Thank you so much. Hi! Alright! Hello, everyone! Can you see me up here? Yes, I hope so! So at this moment, we are not slowing down the program because I know that we've had so much festivities starting this February, but we
exercise. Handa na pa, hindi ka mapagod. Full charge, ah.
Hawak Alex, hawak.
Hawak na, liliko tayo.
Naliliko tayo.
Hawak. Oh. Oh. Uy!